The new lunar base will be built on the south pole of the moon, and there are good reasons for doing so. The south pole of the moon sees up to 2 months of continuous light each year as a result of the moon's tilt, with the sun circling just above the horizon the entire time. The Artemis base camp can generate enough solar electricity with all of this sunlight. The same tilt that gives the lunar poles months of uninterrupted illumination from the sun also causes some of the moon's craters to have shaded regions that haven't seen the sun since the crater was formed. Permanently shaded zones are extremely cold, and researchers have discovered signs of water ice in these areas. NASA is also in the process of developing a new exploration rover, which will let astronauts explore the moon without leaving base camp. The new moon buggy would be controllable remotely, and the rover will be able to steer clear of obstacles like boulders and craters on its own. The pressurized interior of NASA's new RV design, known as the Habitable Mobility Platform, will contain life support systems, allowing occupants to comfortably travel within without the use of spacesuits. Although the design has not been completed, NASA is considering inflatable and modular structures as options to build larger and increasingly expandable habitable rooms on the moon that are portable and low in weight. One concept being developed is a massive 3D printer that runs on moon dust and moon rock, which would provide the lunar base with fascinating potential. All of this is part of the process of learning to live off the land, as they call it, so that a facility on the moon could be more self-sufficient and act as a resupply station for spacecrafts heading to Mars.